for what? Okay, today we go wait for sun to hide behind the hilltops, and we go make forced entry. I not make forced entry for a long time. My wife, she not like forced entry, and I don't know, maybe because she too, how do you say, fat bitch. So she go to hospital. I think it's hospital. I don't know if it's hospital. I don't know where she is. She gone. So I forced entry here. It says police is maybe Polish or polite. Polish, I don't know. But these people have not a good window. Look, they have wooden window. I don't know, they must have maybe they are specialized or special eyes for the wooden window. But the last time, maybe it's police force, like gestolen wapen has in black, yeah? Maybe, because the last time I was there, if you see my my award, yeah, because I was the champion for my village, Żytol, for the game. The local functional game is called Kiss the Goat Down Below, and I win this tournament for the 1, 2, 3 years. Okay, so 1 year nobody complained. 2 year the goat was quite ill. 3 year my competitor say, I know kiss the goat, I suck the goat. I know suck a goat. So they bring in authority to take me to police station for sucking goat. Do I look like the kind of man who would suck a goat? I was so ashamed, I ran away with my goat. And my wife stopped the forced entry after this. I am ashamed for her. But as we say, pastrubia is from my country is magic word meaning I don't know what it means, but it's good word. You can have this word, pastrubia. You know? I remember. No, I don't remember. But if I do remember, I tell you first, my friend. What is your name again?
Jan.
Jan. I had a horse called Jan. We had to eat him. We were not hungry. It was not winter. He just looked so goddamn tasty. So we had to eat him. But how do you like them apples, we said. Because he used to like apples. And he tasted better with applesauce, which I think also makes the world, the balance, the yang and the yang. Yeah, you know this Chinese thing, the yang and the yang? One going round, one going black, and one being the other color of black. Is, yeah, well that is perfect for the horse and applesauce. Okay? We come back at sundown, yeah, okay. Let's go now, because people watch. People with van and stripe. And there is another building here. Good for what?